Welcome to the best remote work from home job just for you. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell because we have 5 to 7 job leads every single day here just for you. Hello and welcome to another fully remote work from home job just for you. Today we have a work from home customer service calls that you pick when you work. This is with Inclusive Solutions Group LLC, and it's $13 to $18 an hour. So work from home opportunity for popular market leading companies by partnering with us. You're likely one of our clients' customers and have visited their stores or used their services. Some of our clients are 1, a leading home improvement retail brand, 2, a major tax software and service provider, and 3, a cruise line dominator, and 4, a home and business security system leading provider, just to name a few. So some of the key items is your rate is up to $18 an hour with a $13 to $15 per hour minimum depending on program you select. Your hours, they're flexible and adjust around your family, college classes, personal life, and social life. You pick the days and hours you want to work. You pick if you would like to work 10 hours a week or up to 40 hours a week. How customer service or sales inbound only, so customers are calling you. The location is remote, so work from home. You get a 1099 opportunity, so you'll be an independent contractor, and the equipment, you'll have a laptop or desktop, a phone line, headset, etc. provided by you. Just complete the application and you choose the client that you want to work with. You take quick remote assessments. You test your equipment and customer service skills just to make sure that you are the perfect fit for them. You go to training from your work from home location and you earn money from your work from home location. The requirements are you attend the training courses, you work the number of hours that you committed to at onset of our partnership, whether it's 10 or up to 40 plus hours per week, and you deliver top-notch customer service and ratings using your equipment, phone line, and headset. So if this sounds like you, you must be authorized to work in the United States, you must live in the United States, you must be 18 plus years or older, have access to a smartphone or system verification to confirm you are the one trying to log into the client system to help customers. You participate in a standard background check, all clients, and a drug test varies per client. And you work in a work-like environment, aka quiet. So if this sounds like the perfect fit for you, I'll put the links in the description down below so you can apply right away. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell because we have 5 to 7 work from home jobs for you available on this channel every single day. So you don't want to miss out on your next opportunity to work from home. So go ahead and subscribe and hit the notification bell. Whether you're fed up with the office work lifestyle and you just want to work from home, or you're just looking for more freedom for you and your loved ones and family, work from home opportunities for you right here on this YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you get notified every single time we have a brand new work from home opportunity just for you.